Hi everyone, Dana here from the go-to-market team in the CRM. As sales managers, you're probably facing a lot of challenges navigating incomplete data, unpredictable forecasts. So today I want to share with you how Monday CRM, powered by AI, has not only transformed the processes, but significant value to your business. Let's start by looking at our leads board. Things like lead pools and lead scoring allows you to stay focused on the leads that matter the most, understand where to put your efforts and where to focus your resources. If you ask yourself how the lead scoring is being calculated, over here we can see the MEDDIC categories: metrics, economic buyer, decision criteria, pain, and competition, all being filled out by AI. By reading and analyzing all the communication that we have with those leads, whether it's from emails, meeting summaries, Zoom calls, and so on, the AI knows to categorize all the MEDDIC categories and then provide me with the lead scoring and the lead pulse. Everything in Monday.com can be customized, and you can create and change the prompt of the AI and the calculation of how it scores your leads. Let's move on to some deal analysis. It's not just scoring. AI provides a comprehensive view of each deal's health. You can identify risks, red flags that might require executive attention. These proactive insights mean that you can address issues before they escalate, ensuring smoother deal closure and stronger client relationship. Things like momentum, the action plan, the recommended next steps, the close probability and the reasoning for the close probability, whether or not this needs an executive attention, deals warning, and if we lost or won the deal, it will also give us a summary of why we lost. And like I said before, all of this is being taken from the communication that we've had with the client. So we can see here the summary of the AI with the key details, with the next steps also inside the communication timeline. And over here, we can see all the email threads that I've had with this client, the meeting summaries, and so on. And from that information in our emails and activities timeline, we are able to analyze and provide you with that information using AI. Moving on from the deals and opportunities pipeline, understanding the client's lifecycle is key to delivering exceptional service. With Monday CRM, you can also manage anything beyond the deal. If we take a look at the accounts board, we have all of the accounts that we're managing, and we can see here using AI the health score of each account. If we open up and we want to actually see all the insights about this account, like whether or not we have additional projects with them, how many opportunities we've had, all this data can then generate the health score, including the communication and relationship with the client. This is just a taste of what Monday AI can do. If you need any more information and want to get a demo, contact us and we'll be happy to help you.